Patients prescribed multiple pills for intake at different times of the day must sort them and pay attention to the clock. Any mistake results in medication being taken incorrectly, irregularly, or not at all, with often detrimental consequences for successful treatment. Global Factories from the Netherlands offers a solution: automated packaging and verification machines for multi-dose medication.
It's to get people and the whole world on personalized medication packaging. Because you can have the best doctors and you can have the best treatment, but if the patient doesn't take the right medication at the right time, then we don't have the end result that we all desire. So if we all can agree that personalized medication is the way to go going forward, our products specify or are detailed specifically towards polypharmacy for patients that have to take multiple types of medication per day. And by giving them a personalized medication package for each day, the chance of medical adherence improves significantly. We've seen that studies show that that goes up by 30 to 40%. And at the same time, the packaging allows them to be more confident that they take the right pill at the right time.
When medicines need to be repacked in pouches or blister cards and prepared for individual patients, these machines and software enable hospital pharmacies to work more efficiently. In addition, information can be printed on the packaging to guide patients.
Right now we have two primary systems that can be used in pharmacies, and the one is the VBM, and that is for packaging and verifying blister cards. The second we have is the MDM, and that is for verifying medication pouches. The MDM is used and designed for verifying multi-dose medication pouches. Richard van der Brink is our president and founder. He invented the pouch verification system software, and that's used for detecting multi-dose medication in pouches. And that technology is called also the vision technology, which is primary to our systems. The checking and verification of packaged medication is crucial to patient safety to minimize the risks on a patient.
For verification purposes and safety of the patients, distinctive properties of pills are captured with images in a software library to match them with pills in the packaging.
When you have a new medication, you have to teach it into the program in order for it to be detected in the machine. And when teaching it in, you take different types of pictures, different angles, and fill in the information that's required for that pill.
For smaller quantities, there is a new system that supports the safe manual filling of blister cards through object detection and LEDs to guide the operator through the filling process.
Our latest innovation, Guided Fill, uses AI to provide a highly efficient solution for manually filling blister cards. Using AI-based real-time object detection and counting, this system streamlines the manually filling process significantly. In the blister filling process, photos of medications are analyzed to ensure that they match the prescriptions using a comprehensive pill model library.
The flexible, proprietary software can be connected to virtually any hospital information system and supports different workflows. All in all, hospital pharmacies can greatly benefit from automated solutions.
Our automation enables that by the way of facilitating this whole process to become more safe, more automated, which ultimately also gives confidence to the caregiver providers, but also saves them cost with regards to the use of less employees being required to get the medication at the right time. Both for our VBM and MDM systems, they both operate at a very high level of accuracy, which gives a confidence level to the caregivers and hospitals to ensure that the right medication actually reaches the patient in the most safe and reliable manner. Our vision is truly to help enable people to live healthier, to live longer, and hopefully more dependent when they come of age. And we do that by our mission of developing high-tech technology that enables to automate the process of medication adherence as best as possible at the lowest possible operating cost.